Namaste everyone. I am your friend Ritu Kaushal, and today I am going to talk about a very beautiful energetic system of Reiki, Money Reiki. First of all, I want to thank Stephanie Braille to give us such a wonderful energy. Thank you, Lord Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi, to bring such consciousness in her meditations. First question arises, why I should learn Money Reiki course. Money Reiki heals your abundance and prosperity channel. Some people face poverty and failure since their birth. After all, they work hard but they are not gaining as per their efforts. This is called the biggest destiny block. So, in these situations, Money Reiki start working. Money Reiki exact work on these areas of life. As you start practicing Money Reiki, you start achieving positive response on money side, meaning now you can see the reward of your hard work. Usui Reiki is not enough for financial status. This is your second question, can be. So I say Usui Reiki is a divine energy and yes, very powerful. But Money Reiki is special created for the money area of human life. As divine gifted the Usui Reiki to Dr. Mikao Usui, in the same way he gifted the Money Reiki energetic system to Stephanie Braille to heal the human abundance area. For example, you cannot go to any doctor for delivery purpose of a child. You first choose a gynecologist. In the same case, I would say if you have money problems, so it is better to choose Money Reiki, not any other system like attraction Reiki, elemental Reiki, or anything. Money Reiki can be the best tool for money healings, or Money Reiki is a best tool for money problems. So I suggest this is best way to learn. How many levels Money Reiki have? Money Reiki has 3 levels and each level has symbols. These symbols works like a trigger and very powerful in normal life. Each level increases the power of symbols as you do level 1, so it has less powerful symbols, and if you do master level, so there are much more powerful symbols. So I suggest to do full course. Level 1 works on your beliefs about money and your thoughts. Symbols of level 1 brings attraction, energy for money and abundance. Level 2 brings the power to clear blocks and charge them with fullness of positivity. Blocks can be a big or small, sometimes self-created or self-absorbed. But yes, Money Reiki never fails to heal them. One block is pattern of failures which is carried by many people in this world. And these people are always fail in all deeds. So Money Reiki is for them. Money Reiki brings positive reactions from this universe to attract abundance and positive line for money. How much time it takes to practice daily after learning the Money Reiki? It takes approx 40 minutes in beginning, 21 days of cleaning as we give in any Reiki system, but later only 15 minutes are enough to heal yourself with the Money Reiki. Fifth question is, who can learn Money Reiki? Usui Reiki level 2 is a basic requirement to become a Money Reiki master, because Usui Reiki is the mother of all Reiki systems, so we need to learn first it, then we can go for next level. Money Reiki is next level course. What is Money Reiki attunement? Money Reiki attunement is a very powerful ceremony and it should be done very peacefully and purposefully. How we connect? Here we connect a person to the universal channel of energy of Money Reiki. This is called Money Reiki attunement. How much time it takes to learn? It is up to you how much grasping power or understanding you are. It means some people learn big things in seconds and some people take hours to understand small things. So it is totally dependent upon you. But generally we give 3 classes and people fully learn and understand these courses. We give 3 classes so people can learn, understand and put out their questions and queries during this time of 3 classes. So it is sufficient time. If some people need more classes, so we can provide that too. Bad practices of money Reiki. Person should be eligible for attunement. Some people speak lie and they do money Reiki before any other Reiki system. If you are not an elemental Reiki master, Usui Reiki master or attraction Reiki master, so you cannot do the money Reiki. You should be necessarily one of them. Attunement should not be given in groups because we open the aura of a person and the energies of aura comes out during attunement. So it can create a harmful state of learner. Sometimes we are releasing an energy from some people during the attunement, but when we are in group, so this become difficult. Generally group attunements are not very strong, and I suggest master should choose the way to attune one person at one time in one space. Best to give attunement in personal space. It can be online or distance mode. Avoid eating non-vegetarian food and alcohol. Follow the sanitation rules of human beings. Also, I suggest everyone, please create peace around you during the attunement. No botherers, and do not think negative for your masters, especially from whom you are going to learn. Create a belief system for your masters first. This is the biggest block of any person who is who wants to grow in his life. Some people comes in the name of spiritual grandmastership, but later we find they are nothing in this spiritual world. Thank you very much to listen me, and I request you everyone, those are Usui Reiki level 1 and 2 practitioners, so please join this beautiful course to shine your life, because money Reiki draw your futures when you join it. Many times you are not expecting the gift from universe, it bless you with that. One more thing comes with money Reiki. Money Reiki too gives you a facility to make your own wish box for money or money related wishes or goals, and yes, this works very powerfully. Hopes this video is useful for you and your friend Ritu Kaushal really loves you all. Please keep responding on my videos like you do, and even more you can do. I love to read your emails and reply on them. Thank you very much. Please choose email mode to talk personal queries so I can create videos on that topic. Thank you very much. Lots of love for you. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you.